And thank you so much for your time. I'm gonna sing one song for my mom. I'm just gonna give a little bit of background of this song. It is titled Bato sa Buhangin. It's a Tagalog song, Pastor. It means a rock on the sun. There's one time, I think I was five or fifth grade or sixth grade. Mom was brought me to a amateur contest. Um, yeah, she brought me one time, and then she let me sing in front of the stage, all the people, and in the middle I forgot the lyrics, and I just stopped. And she was like, go, 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 continue. I could not remember all the lyrics, so I was just stay there, finish until the song finished, and I just bow. So mom was like, you should finish it. I don't know the lyrics. But now, I promised my mom, I'm gonna sing the song, and I will finish. Thank you so much. Where's the lyrics?
Don't forget the lyrics.
Kapag ang puso'y natuto